Hey, what's up everybody? It's 3-Valve Wednesday. Hey, I'm Brent. Thanks so much for watching Brent Speed TV. Today we're going to watch a dyno pull on a 07 GT manual transmission, 93 octane, all motor, laying down over 340 real horsepower. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us up to date. We're going to go down and take a look at the engine compartment. I have Doug with me. Let's do that now. All right, this is a cool build. So, these cars from the factory typically lay down about 260, maybe 270 real horsepower. But here's what we did. Doug, come down here, take a look. 75,000 miles on this 3-valve. It's the power-up kit. Ford Racing intake manifold, Ford Racing throttle body, JLT air induction system. We have a set of sweet Detroit rocker camshafts and a set of underdrive pulleys. Kind of call that our top 5 list. You have a bone stock car, you want to be NA, that's what you're looking for right there. It also has a set of Borla attack mufflers. We did some Ford Racing valve covers, MSD coil packs, but pretty much that's about it. Just some bolt-ons. Oh, not counting like what we did to the engine. Ford Racing aluminum drive shaft, 373 gears, and a McLeod clutch. It's going to be a fun car. Check out this dyno pull. All right, a couple things before we look at the numbers. So this is a DynoJet SAE. We're doing smoothing 5. I'm going to show you the graph, and then I'm also going to show you this graph, smooth 0, to see how the numbers change. Because on an NA car, everyone's trying to get every little bit of last horsepower. There are ways to make the dyno show a little more. And a lot of people don't do it on purpose. It's just the way their computer's set up, but I do want to show you that. And of course, what's that cost to get built? Email quote@brentspeed.com. And all those parts I just told you about, I'll put a link in the description for you to look at. But here we go. DynoJet SAE, smoothing 5, 344 real horsepower, peaking at 6,500, which is really normal for stock heads and rocker cams. Torque comes in 318 at 5,000. Doug, check this graph out. Like I said, SAE smoothing 5. I'm going to switch smoothing to 0, which on some cars it really doesn't matter. But see how this number over here? Now we're 361 at 6,700. Torque still 319 at 5,000. But this graph gets choppy. It gets choppy up top. And it's just picking up these spikes is what it's doing right here. So we did smoothing 5 on this today. Sometimes the difference between 5 and 0 are not as drastic as that. But this was pretty drastic, so I want to show you on 5, which is the lower number. And again, we're SAE, not standard, which standard is a higher number. So there you go, 07 GT manual transmission, 93 octane with a bunch of bolt-ons. I will put a link at the end of this video where I kind of talk about if you have a stock 3-valve, my top 5 bolt-on parts, not counting superchargers. Then I'll go, a lot of detail about it. It's a pretty long video. You can watch it to learn about each one of these parts and how they work. But that's all today. Thanks so much for watching. Leave that comment. Happy to answer. Have a good one.